I never had a business before I came here. So the strategies that you guys have taught us, that we learned, the extra knowledge and how you guys show how to build a business and to just better your website, how to advertise. I took all that away, and I'm going to start that as soon as I get home.
I love how intimate it was. I love how hands-on it was, and how open everyone was for questions and really taking the time to explain everything to you. You guys are doing a great job.
So I feel like you guys have given me the tools that I need to successfully start, just everything.
Yeah.
A business in a box, literally.
Without it, I wouldn't think I would start yet to use it with my clientele, because I need to feel comfortable and to feel like it's secure and I'm not going to hurt any of my clients.
I love this program. I love the summit so far. If I wasn't going to come, I'm glad I came. And you guys delivered.
I wanted to broaden the range of my practice. I have confidence now in how to get myself visible. With this particular training, we went straight to the technical aspects of what we need to do to be successful and not injure or harm anybody.
I am going to network with the other people that were here. I've already got either their website or their TikTok contacts.
Oh my goodness, the food was amazing. I definitely went back for seconds. It was so good.
The food was excellent. You guys went above and beyond. I've gone to other trainings and stuff, and when food was provided, it was just pretty much a little sack lunch. You guys went above and beyond, so very impressive.
The team here at Cryo Summit, they are so engaged. You're here to help. Any questions, you guys will drop anything to help somebody. You're willing to help anybody learn.
The hands-on portion was really, really good, because you don't really get hands-on. It's usually just people talking, but we got to be involved, and it's interactive, and I never see that in any summits really.
I'm gonna go get my business license and just start.
Okay.
Start setting up my Facebook page, my website, get insurance, just everything that we talked about, so yeah.
If they're thinking about getting it done, or if this is something that they want to add to their business or anything like that, this is definitely the way to go.